Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new tutorial with the AI and Photoshop. So today I am going to make a mockup for cosmetic type items, and at first I'll make this one the item 3D model in a Midjourney, and after that I'll do final mockup in Photoshop. So how to do that? Let's start. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. At first I'm here in a Google Translator, just typing over there like cosmetic mockup template. At first I'm writing the prompt in a Google Translator because of if any sort of mistake, it could be the grammatical mistake, it could be the spelling mistake, Google Translator will help me out how to fix it out. After that I'll paste it in a Midjourney in a prompt section, and let's see what will they are providing us. So I am writing here the cosmetic mockup template and clean background. Okay, here already I done a mistake which is unexpected. Okay, just copying this one and going to the Midjourney in a Discord, and after that providing the slash and imagine and just writing over there imagine prompt and double hyphen, which is the parameter portion. I always use the parameter because of if you use the parameter properly you will get proper image, and the possibility will be high you are getting the polished image. If you provide the parameter properly, it will provide you the proper image in this case. Okay, fine. V6 and then style raw, fine, and then fast because of I want to make the fast generation, because of if I don't provide here the fast parameter it will take time and it will just go to the relax mode. So I don't want to wait actually, because of I'm making the tutorial, and hope you guys are same to me. If I provide the first prompt or the parameter over there, it will provide the first generation which will take less than 30 seconds or like that. And then aspect ratio. So for the aspect ratio, AR for the aspect ratio, and I want to make this one like 3:2, or if you don't mention the aspect ratio it will provide you the square shape. So if you want to square shape or if you want to get the square shape, you just leave this AR portion, but I'm using here because of I want to 3:2, which is the rectangular shape. So if I turn it off or like that, that's fair enough, and then press the enter button or hit the enter button. After that it will provide us like cosmetic mockup template, meaning when you are making some mockup you need a 3D model or you need a photograph. So if you get this thing, meaning the basic thing, the 3D model or other stuffs in a Midjourney within like 30 seconds or like that, it's good. So here just cosmetic mockup, if I provided a cosmetic mockup, lots of cosmetics tube over there. So if I provide here like simply the cosmetics tube mockup, and in this portion another parameter is exist or suggested by the Midjourney, which is the no text prompt or no text parameter, double hyphen then no and text. When you are providing here the no text parameter, nothing or any sort of text Midjourney will avoid to provide in this case. So let's see what they are providing us. Or in this technique you can make any sort of mockup 3D, meaning the base 3D of the mockup. It could be the box, it could be the bottle, it could be like a honey jar, or it could be t-shirt, it could be like a polo shirt, any sort of things. So here already they are provided me a cosmetic tube which is like a cream or other stuff. So here I got my expected photo over there, or 3D model, whatever you can tell. So I'll choose this one, the pink one. I thought this one is attractive, so this one is number 3. So here I'll make this upscale 3, u meaning upscale, and the V for version. So whichever do you like. If you want to make another version, you can press the V, and here is the number 1 for this photo, 2 for this photo, 3 for this, and 4 for that. Okay, fine. I'm just opening up in a browser and saving this one. Okay, already I saved here. Okay, saving this one. So let's try another one, because of the white one is good, or you can provide here name. So let's try with the color of the tube. So here I'm providing here cosmetic, like green tube mockup template, clear background, or you can provide here gray background, and I'm providing another parameter or another prompt word, which is the window light. If I provide here the window light, you know, in a photography, window light is very like posh type or very elegant type output you will get, because of when you are doing like photography, beside the window some window light will appear in a photo, and product photo basically, and that will make another dimension, another depth of the photo. So let's try this one, what they are providing us. So I want this white tube as well, so that is the number 2 photo, and upscale 2, it will provide me the upscale number 2, and I'm saving this one. This one is the perfect 3D tube, which will really help me out to make a mock-up in a Photoshop. So at first we'll collect the photo, and then we'll go to the Photoshop for making the final mock-up. So it's providing me with the window light. I do love to use the window light, because of when you are using the window light, it will make more dimension and more creative. It's look like the real feel. So suddenly if you watch this one, you won't just recognize this one generated by AI, which is really wow type result. So number 1, 2, 3 and 4, here some text just given, but I do like to use this one, so I'm taking the number 4 or U4. We can fix the small amount of text by using like a patch tool, or like a content aware tool, or lots of tool in a Photoshop to remove some little bit of text in this portion. So I'm saving that. Okay, save that. Nice. And now we are going to Photoshop and Illustrator, because of I want to make the mnemonic in a Illustrator. After that I want to make that things the smart object, and we will paste it in a Photoshop. So if you just work with the Photoshop and Illustrator in the same time, it will save your time actually, because of when you are making some mnemonics in a Photoshop, which is a little bit challenging because of some shapes and everything is quite tough to make in this Photoshop, and Illustrator is quite easy because of there are lots of tools to cut it out and make the shapes like an Illustrator, whatever it is. So we are in Illustrator, so going to the new file and taking an artboard 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel and hit the create button, and we'll make an like cosmetic type logo or mockup type. So going to the flat icon, after going to the flat icon we will find out some cosmetics type or natural beauty type. So NATU or nature, so nature leaf. So this one is good or this one is good. I'll choose this one because of that is like bold type fill color. So I want these because of when you are taking fill color, it will help you out to make smart object or other stuff. So that's why I just picked up and saving that. And after that we'll go back to the Illustrator and going to the file here, going to the place options, and after that we'll import that clip art or the icon and then making that. So after that going to the image trace option and like black and white logo, or you can choose the shell layout options and just expand this one. And after that select here the magic wand tool, select the white portion, delete the white area. We only need the black options. So after that going to the text options, choose a font which is like Bebas Sky or Bebas like that. So Bebas font is nice, or if you want like beauty type font, you can choose the Poppins font which is really nice, and beauty mockup, fine. And making this one a little bit of smaller, and we'll make some variation, like beauty could be like light version or like a thin version, and the mockup could be like that. So we can make this one like that, which is really nice, and it could be, or you can try some another way. So that's another option could be. So copying this one, and here we'll open up our image which we already got from the Midjourney, the cosmetic tube. So we picked up this one and this one. At first we'll work with the white one and then the black one. So after that unlock this portion, convert to smart object, and we'll make this one BG for background. That's fine. And after that we'll go to a shape like that. Okay, that's fine. And rename this one your logo, provide a color over there, it could be red, and then just make it convert to smart object. That's good. And when you are making smart object, if you press in a smart object, it will open up in new window and you can provide your logo over there. So I'm providing here the smart object options, which already we just copied from our Illustrator, turning off and saving this out. And after that it will just paste over there. You can make this one a little bit bigger, it could be. And now time to like match everything with that. So another way, you can directly paste over there any smart object, and you can just make this one a little bit of smaller and you can paste over there. So two way you can place. I'm making this one a little bit of smaller, that's fine. Now this one you can rasterize this one, and like your logo, that's good. And you can make this one into red portion and right press and convert to smart object. When you are opening in a new window, it will open up and you can replace your logo over there. We'll see what will be the effect. And before that we have to place or apply some effect from here. Right press and blending options, here is underlining layer, and press the alter option button and divide that, match with the lights, and in this portion you can match with that. So here are lots of blending options or mode, you can try it out. So overlay or like vivid light or hard light, you can try. But in this portion I'll make this one normal, and you can make this one a little bit of like that. So you are getting the real feel over there, and easily you can make this one. Another thing is that if you double press over there, you can just make this one blend like that. Okay, that's good. And another way to make some color or apply other stuffs, go to the solid color and hit OK, right press and make the create clipping mask. If you want to change up the color, you can pick color from here. Suppose you want to make it red, green or purple or blue, whatever, you can try it out. So when you are giving color, you can just provide some shadow or adjustment like that, which is good. So it could be green, it could be blue, it could be purple, red. So if you want, you can provide any sort of color like that, which is really nice. So this type of darker option is appreciated because of when it will be the cosmetic material, it could be like vibrant and like feminist color. So making this one like that. Okay, and then now you can make a group by using Ctrl or Command G and provide here your logo. That's good. And you can provide color for recognize easily to your user to get this layer is the editable layer, and you can expand this one and you can your logo use for that. So and save this one into like Photoshop. Here is the Photoshop options and save it out, and you can provide here the name or other stuffs. And another way, going to the open options, and we'll open up another photo which we used with the window light. So let's try the same thing in this window one. Unlock this one, and here some text. Will remove this one by using the patch tool. So easily you can select this one and patch with that, which is really amazing and impressive because of it's providing the proper finishing of that. So that's good. And another one we can make like vanished. That's fine. And again we'll make copy by Ctrl or Command C, and then get back to the Photoshop and Ctrl or Command V, and here the smart object, because of when you are using smart object, it's really help you out to open up in like Illustrator again. So let's see, if we press over there, it will open up in Illustrator, and easily you can change up your color. Suppose in this case I want to make the leaf into the green portion or green color. Suppose I'm providing here the green, which is really nice. And okay, suppose here providing black color, and right press and create outline, and then you can provide color from here. The red, it could be the red, it could be another color, suppose like this. That's good. Or it could be like a little bit of black portion or ash type. That's fine, and save it out. And after saving that in a Photoshop, it will automatically changing. So that's the advantage to use that. In this portion we'll go to blending options, again the same way. Here the underlining layer will match the lights with that, and saving it out into the Photoshop template. So you can easily make lots of mockup, and you can sell it up in a microstock marketplace, or you can provide to your buyer, or you can just do the freelancing with this technique. So it's amazing. And if you are the mockup designer, you have lots of demand in the market, you know already. So hope that it will help you out a lot. Until the next video, ASMR is signing out, and stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe, or if you are my old friend, please do share with your other friends. Until the next tutorial, bye bye.